If you're a fan of electronics like I am, I love all the different types of devices that get released during the year. And that time of year is right now. And those who YouTube and bring us that information have kind of coined it Techtember because September is a big release for Apple. And I think that Google just released a phone and Samsung. And a lot of those companies release all of those new devices now. By the way, none of those are sponsors. If they'd like to be sponsors, let me know. Since this is a gardening channel, they may not have that big of interest. But I'm always interested in electronics. And again, they call it Techtember because September's a big time. But this is a gardening channel, and we're very involved in gardening. This is Whirlwind Family Farm. We are a market garden, about an acre. By the way, I'm Jeff here in Central Texas. We appreciate you finding our channel. But this is the time of year when we have plant timber. And I know that sounds kind of funny, plant timber, but that's what I'm going to call it because August and September can be just as important as March and April in the spring. And the reason I tell you that is because there's so many things that we start in seed trays or direct seed this time of year as we get ready for our customers and our family for the fall. And you can do the exact same thing in your little small garden. For example, right over here, those are our pie pumpkins, which were planted about a week and a half ago. So they're up and going. Over in, as you saw in the opening, in our propagation tunnel, is we have many things ready to go. If you look right here, that is spinach that was planted. It hasn't germinated yet. Over here is Swiss chard. There's some more spinach right along there. That is bok choy. That's some bell peppers my wife planted. I believe, yes, that is cabbage. There's more spinach. There's a few tomatoes right there and more spinach. So all of those things had to be planted and get ready now in the seed trays so we can transplant them out here in about 2 to 3 weeks in the middle of September, which here in Zone 8 in Central Texas is a warmer zone. So we can actually have those going mid-September and start to harvest as we move into October, November. And many cases out here, we have harvested all the way into January. Now, granted, we do have high tunnels, but I will tell you, high tunnels are no guarantee of stopping freeze because it can freeze inside of there just as well. But back to my original point, this is the season and this is the time when you get all of those starts ready, and that's why I call it plant timber. And I may call it that from now on. I like that. It's not tech timber. It is tech timber. And September is when all of those, again, all those electronics will be talked about. And this is the time when you can talk about with your family and your friends, hey, it's plant timber. We're getting things ready. The salads, the lettuces, the turnips. We're going to be planting turnips back here in the back part of this acre in about 3 or 4 days, as well as the mixed salads. And all of those will start to get planted. The salads and all of those, we do start off in seed trays and then transplant out. Radishes, we start off in seed trays. Now our turnips, we will direct seed as we're getting bed prep right there. That'll be started here in a few days. So just a quick reminder, it is plant timber. Hopefully you're getting all your thoughts together, your seeds together, and many things maybe you've already started, which is great that you've done that. It's not too late, depending on where you live, depending on the zone. It's probably not that late. We've still got a little bit of summer left. Summer ends on September 21st. Fall starts then, and there's a lot of growing time in the fall. For example, the turnips I was just talking about, I was just reminded the other day as I was looking at the data, they really flourish in a 40 to 60 degree band of temperature is how turnips really do well in that temperature range. So thanks for finding our channel. We appreciate your time. We always appreciate it. It helps Whirlwind Family Farm when you like, subscribe, certainly hit that bell for notification. We'll have another video over right here you can check out. We'll take you further along in that education process. Thanks. Remember, plant timber. Blessings over you, your family, your garden. Talk to you soon.